Welcome to Golden Heart. Today I'm gonna present to you the skill performs passive range of motion for one shoulder. It's a testable skill in the state exam. Alright, I'm gonna start. Miss Jones, I closed the curtain for your privacy. I did close the door for your additional privacy. I made sure that these two beds are locked before I start. Okay, I'm ready, Miss Jones. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna support your wrist and elbow while we do this one. Let me know if there's any pain during the exercise, okay? So let's do this one slowly and gently. Any pain, any discomfort? No, very good. One. Any pain, any discomfort? Slowly, gently. Two. Any pain, any discomfort? You're doing great, Mrs. Jones. Three. Any pain, any discomfort? All the way to the ear. Four. Very good. Now we're gonna do the adduction and abduction. Okay? Ready, Miss Jones? Supporting the wrist and elbow. Let me know any pain, any discomfort. One. Any pain, any discomfort. Two. Any pain, any discomfort. Slowly, gently. Three. Any pain, any discomfort. Slowly, gently. Four. Very good, Miss Jones. You did very well. Any pain right now? No? Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing on your other arm. Okay? So, thank you, Miss Jones, for letting me do the passive range of motion exercise. One shoulder. I'm gonna do my quick closing to make sure that you're safe. Here is your call light. Your bed is locked here. Your rail is up. Your bed is locked here. Your bed is a low position. Your body is aligned. I'm gonna keep your curtain closed. Use your side table here with your water, picture, and magazine. Gonna wash my hands. Report and record. Skills complete.